taking control, Uncle Sam. Starting with you. Kill him.
Doctor, you have healed.
I forgive you.
You are not alone. It took you far too long to see.
Just regenerate. Please, just regenerate. Come on. I'll spend the rest of my life imprisoned with you. You've got to, come on. Can't hang like this. Mate, all the things we've done. Excellent. How many accidents? We need only 2 left.
It would be hell for me imprisoned here forever with you.
No, please, you've got to, please. We're the only ones left. Please, just wait.